Camping Nation. So I am preparing a new journey today. We had a lot of rain lately, so I'm sure it will be really nice. We are going on a journey to visit Waterfall Boka, one of the highest and most magnificent waterfalls around here. I'm sure you will love it. So today we will go first with the car to the starting point and then walk a little bit and visit this beautiful and amazing waterfall. Let's go! Hello! So as you can see, we are at the spot, Waterfall Boka. I will show you, this is the place where I like to park and leave my car. Cross the street over here and then you will come to the bridge. You have to cross the bridge and then you will see the waterfall on your right side. Let's do that now. As you can see right over here, this is your first view of the Waterfall Boka. You can see it right from the street, from the bridge, so if you don't feel like hiking up to the viewpoint, it's fine, you will see it from here as well. The views are amazing, so if you just enter a little bit further, the view is even better. Come and check it out with me. Here you will find the signs again. Slab Boka, which is Waterfall Boka. It says to the viewpoint 15 minutes. Let's see if it takes me 15 minutes too. So I made it to the viewpoint. This little thing behind me is Waterfall Boka, and this is why we are here, for this magnificent waterfall. The road up here was not difficult at all. It took me exactly 11 minutes, but I took some stops for the panorama and for the photos, and walking with the camera is not always that fun and easy. So I'm sure you will take it will take you a few minutes less than I needed. Waterfall Boka is one of the highest waterfalls in Slovenia, so it's an absolute must when you are here. You have to visit it. Waterfall itself, it's separated in two parts. So we have two waterfalls. The first one is 106 meters high, and the second one 30 meters. So altogether 136 meters, guys. You can hear that it's pretty loud. We had some rain, strong rain in past days. So this sky here, it's quite full right now. In the summer, probably, if you're not lucky and it's not raining a few days before, it will be smaller, but still, you absolutely have to visit it. You will not be sorry. So I could stand here all day and just admire the waterfall, admire the colors, the nature, the sound, everything. For me, it's amazing. I know I say that all the things around here are amazing, but I've traveled a lot and I've seen a lot of places. I know that your home is supposed to be the nicest and you feel special feelings and emotions when you are visiting your own country. But really the nature in Slovenia in general, and especially in Soča Valley, it's really amazing. And this should be one of the most important reasons why you come to Soča Valley and why you decide to visit it. So Waterfall Boka comes out of Kanin mountain. So this guy's the mountain behind it, over here, it's Kanin. Down here, it's a river that then goes into Soča river. And let me show you up here. You also get some information that you can read. But most of all, guys, this is the reason why you should come here. Okay guys, so I am done with the viewpoint and with the Waterfall Boka. I hope you enjoyed our walk. I have to go back to the main road, to the parking lot, to get my car and then return to the camping place. I hope I inspired you to visit this beauty over here. It deserves all the glory and all the videos and beautiful photos that we take of this waterfall. And I really promise you, you will not be sorry if you walk up here and take a look at Waterfall Boka. So before I leave this beautiful place, I would like to ask you again, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Camp Vodenca. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I will be forever grateful if you give us a like or a follow. And I promise I will do new vlogs about interesting places and places you basically have to visit if you are visiting Soča Valley and Bovec. I said it all at once, which is good for a change. I see tourists, guys. Look. There are people down here. Season 2021 has officially started. The weather is beautiful. And this is why I'm asking you, what are you waiting for? Book your stay in Soča Valley. Come and stay with us. Enjoy the beautiful nature and surrounding Soča Valley and Bovec, and come. This is where the summer happens. Come and enjoy with us.